Cooking has always been in my blood, and it all started in my grandmother's kitchen. When I was growing up, I used to go to my grandmother's house every Tuesday, and she would cook dinner for me. And one day I had watched her by the stove making all kinds of dishes. I asked her, "Granny, would you teach me how to cook?" And she said, "Sure, I would love to." She taught me how to make all kinds of food, from fried chicken to collard greens to tea cakes. And ever since that day, I love to cook for my family, and that inspired me to go to school and get a degree in culinary. Being in the kitchen is happiness for me when I think about my grandmother and all the memories we had together. I remember the first dish she taught me how to make was spaghetti, and Lord have mercy, she made the best spaghetti. She put her foot in it. I can see my grandmother looking down at me right now and saying, "I'm so proud of you, Brittany. Keep believing and dreaming in life. I love you." God is the captain of my ship. Without him, none of this would be possible. I have considered myself a young, strong black woman with a uniqueness of style and fashion, from my natural black hair to my glasses. My uniqueness as a child has set me apart from the other children growing up. My inspiration in life is cooking. What inspired me was growing up around my grandmother in her kitchen. She is my inspiration in my career as a cook. I am also intrigued by Robert Montgomery and Carla Hall, which has given me a few dreams of having my own show, a bakery, and cook for some famous faces one day.